Hey, what's going on, friends and family? Welcome back to another episode of BKO Reviews, and today we have an early look at a quick strike release that isn't releasing until mid-April. But before we get started with any of that, I definitely want to encourage everyone to hit that thumbs up button. It goes a long way. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's your best way of staying up to date with the most recent content. And you can also follow me on these social media platforms. With all that being said, with no further ado, let's get into the review. Well, as you can see, this is something that I picked up from my local shop here, Acelo. They have 3 locations, one in Upper Manhattan, as well as 2 locations in the Bronx. So let's see what we have today. Voila. As you can see, we have the Nike sportswear box in that bright red with the Nike branding. So let's see what we're reviewing today. Today, we're doing a review on a pair of Nike Air Max 97 OG QS. And we all know QS stands for Quick Strike, with an actual color scheme of metallic silver and varsity red. Style code is 884-421-001. And you already know, no review will be complete without photo receipt, police. I'm definitely excited to see these firsthand. Seen photos of it, but it's definitely a difference when you actually see them in hand.
Too lit, shit be full lit. Pick me up before 6. Got a bitch with another bitch. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Too lit, shit be full lit. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, that's.
Wow. Man, oh man. This is definitely nice. It brings back those old feelings that you had when you had a pair of sneakers, or you remember a pair of sneakers from your past and you finally have them in hand. That whole nostalgia feeling is definitely coming back to me. If you're not familiar with this sneaker, this is the Nike Air Max 97 OG, aka the Silver Bullet. But myself, I know this sneaker as the Dan O'Brien. Dan O'Brien was an Olympic athlete that actually won a gold medal in the Olympics in Atlanta. And this was the actual sneaker that Nike was promoting for him. So to see this sneaker definitely brings back old memories. So let's definitely get into the details of it. Predominantly, the upper consists of mesh, 3M, and leather. The inspiration of the sneaker comes from water dropping in a pond. So the entire upper is pretty much the ripple effect of the water. The dark gray area here is what is 3M. As you can see, it does have mesh in between with a white strip of leather. It definitely separates the entire silver aspects of the sneaker. You do have that red Nike swoosh here that is stitched in. And this material here kind of feels like metal. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but when you look at it, it feels like metal wires. You do have that white midsole and a full air unit from toe to heel. Back in '97, this was the first sneaker that Nike released with a full air unit from toe to heel. So they was definitely above their time. As we go to the toe box, you can see the difference in material a lot better. Like I said, the dark gray areas here are 3M with mesh in between, and you have the white strip of leather here. It has gray rope laces, and the actual, I guess you would call them lace holders, also have 3M hits. At the top of the tongue, you have that Nike branding and that Nubuck Durabuck with a red Nike swoosh. As we go to the lateral side, it's the same makeup. You have the 3M materials here at the upper of the sneaker, as well as that red Nike swoosh. As we go to the back heel, you have a full pull strap here that says Air Max and kind of like a stitch glitter effect. There you go, with the red stitching on the outside of the strap. The actual insole of the sneaker is a solid black insole with a metallic silver Nike swoosh. As we go to the actual outsole, the outsole has that waffle pattern here in the forefront with the branding of Nike in the middle. And compared to the actual OG, I could be wrong, but the OG, if I remember, had PSI indentations here on the back heel. If you're not familiar with PSI, PSI stands for pounds per square inch. And I think it had a 25 PSI, a 5 PSI, and another 25 PSI. So this is definitely nice. There could have been some areas where I think they could have did it a lot better, keeping it true to the OG with the PSIs here on the actual bottom of it, if I'm not mistaken, as well as the actual pull strap. I think it was different as well. But overall, this is definitely a nice sneaker. I'm very happy to have this pair in my collection. And like I said, this was something that caught me totally off guard, because the actual original release date for this is April 13th or April 15th. I'm not 100% sure. But this was a quick strike release, and some boutiques here in the state actually got them early. I know there was a earlier release last year in Italy. In Italy marks the 97 Air Max as their favorite sneaker. They had a friends and family edition, which was a lot different. I think on the actual pull tab here had the little Italian flag, as well as the back heel had the Italian flag. And I know in Europe, I think in December or the beginning of the year, they had their quick strike release that was in store only. So this is the actual first time that the states are being given the opportunity of purchasing this sneaker. Definitely want to thank everyone for tuning in to another episode of BKL Reviews. Like I said before, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, please subscribe. It's your best way of staying up to date with the most recent content. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the content and you liked the video. We post videos every Sunday at 12 noon. You can also follow me on these social media platforms. And once again, I want to thank everyone for tuning in to another episode of BKL Reviews. Stay tuned to our On Feet section.
Too lit, shit be full lit. Pick me up before 6. Got a bitch with another bitch. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Too lit, shit be full lit. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, that's the shit I like. I ain't got no type, I can't decide. Girls like girls, they can't